My name is Elias, and this is my presentation about the Coca-Cola Company and my idea of having a diabetes educational workshop. And the mission behind that is prevent diabetes through education. So, who is the Coca-Cola Company? Coca-Cola Company was founded by Dr. John Smith, and he created a syrup, being that the Coca-Cola. And after that, it was deemed good and was put for sale for 5 cents. And the rest is history. Now, there's over 200 countries that drink Coca-Cola and over 1.9 billion servings. And they have over 700,000 employees. And the type of work they do is supply, manufacture, marketing, sales, finance, communication, human resources, and information technology. Where is Coca-Cola located in their health profile? Coca-Cola is located in Atlanta, Georgia, United States, and even within the United States, the demographic is very diverse. The socio-economic status is split, being very divided between the lower middle class to the high class. And the five deaths that have been affecting Americans is the heart disease, cancer, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and diabetes. And the healthcare system within the United States is very public and private insurance, depending if your employer gives you insurance or if not, applying for public insurance through the government. Cultural influence of health within the United States. The United States culture within the culture influence of health within the United States is the amount of fast food is being consumed by Americans. Fast food influence the population by a lot, since a lot of people are very much low income, middle class, lower middle class, and healthy foods are very expensive, and people from these low incomes can't afford that. And the only thing they can afford is fast food. And with that being said, healthy foods are not in the price range of being affordable. And that causes a lot of people eating fast food in a fast rate and causing many people to get diabetes or obesity at a young age or at a high rate. And another culture influence is the reliance of transportation. Not a lot of people are walking to work or exercising because it's not convenient to them and it takes a lot of time out their day. So communicating with the CEO and HR, I would send an email to the CEO and HR discussing about diabetes education workshop, introducing myself as a UCI student, and wanting to spread the awareness of diabetes since it's a health issue many Americans deal with, and their company is one of the contributing factors of diabetes since a lot of people drink it like water, and it has a lot of sugar, has a lot of like harmful stuff for our body if you can continue to drink it every day. And as well, like creating a healthcare promotion program for employees to like be aware of the disease and having that knowledge to support themselves or their loved ones if anyone gets diabetes. The importance of the program. The importance of the program is to be preventative. Coca-Cola is giving their employees the opportunity to learn about the disease, and it's important since it's one of the leading deaths within the United States. And with that, a lot of the United States has a lot of fast food influence, and acknowledging that would create a healthier lifestyle for their employees. And employees will start being more aware of their like eating habits and lifestyle as a whole. Benefits for the company. Creating a healthcare program will create more of a healthier lifestyle within their employees and seeing themselves being more on top of it. Diabetes is expensive. If they get sick with that, many insurance don't cover insulin. If they do, they have to still pay a big amount of copay. So, being more preventative than getting sick will be more beneficial. And as well, having more employees not that ill will have more employees to have work, and just giving health promotion programs would just make them be a better company and say like, oh, we actually care about our employees and their health. Yeah. And benefits for employees. Being aware of diabetes and having a knowledge of the disease, like knowing how to prevent it, because not a lot of people know how to prevent diseases. And it's more like, oh, you do one thing for the rest of your life and that's how you get it, not get it. And then at the end of the day, they might get it because there's other contributing factors. So like eating healthy, exercising, routine checkups with your doctors, having that much resources and information will help them if they ever acquire this disease, diabetes, or a loved one. So diabetes work health promotion program. So making everyone's priority, making the health of employees everyone's priority in the workplace, knowing that diabetes have affected 2 million people globally, and if we don't take action or like preventative action, it will rise to 3 million by 2025, and that's in 3 years. So we have to create this and, start doing preventative action. The goals with the diabetes education program, just to be knowledgeable about everything with diabetes is type 2, type 1, pre-diabetic, and know what to do if you do actually have it. So the diabetes education program. So within Coca-Cola companies, we would have it during their work hours, so it doesn't interfere with outside time, and we would have small groups, and then that would be learning about intervention of diabetes, teaching how to eat healthy lifestyle, like eating, exercising, monitoring self-managing diabetes and risk factors, and knowing the symptoms. As well from that, collaborations with local health agencies like maybe the CDC, or if not, a diabetes clinic or another clinic, or physicians, or a gym, and giving them promotion like, oh, if you sign up for a gym for 6 months, we'll give you a free personal trainer. Just doing that so, like, employees feel like, oh, I should actually take action. And like as well, working with other health fields and any else in the health field would help employees' health be better. Incorporating employees from diabetic screening, so understanding like, oh, like let's actually like see if you actually have diabetes or you're pre-diabetic, and see what actions you can take before getting to that level. And as well, if you are diabetic and you found out, then see what you could do to just stabilize and not cause any long-term damages to yourself. And for just preventative strategies from that, like from type 2 diabetes, since that's a diabetes that's very much more common. So lifestyle intervention, seeing what you could do differently, just giving employees like ideas and information what they could do differently, because at the end of the day, employees have the right at the end of the day what they want to do with their own body. The evaluation of the program and reporting to CEO, just asking everyone who participated what they thought it was beneficial and what we could do better, as well with the people we collaborated with, what we can do better, and what we're on the right track. Giving that information to the CEO and showing like, hi, there's many people actually enjoying this, or maybe we could work on this. Just give us another shot. And yeah, and same thing with HR, just giving that information to see what we can do in the future of the program. In future recommendations and conclusions, I think this company has a lot of potential to do so with all the research they have, and being a main contributor to diabetes, seeing what they could do better as a company and making their employees more knowledgeable about diabetes, since it's very much a common disease now. And yeah, if the companies start doing that, other companies will follow the lead of Coca-Cola. Just be more aware of other health issues that's at the rise and taking action. Yeah. So I want to say thank you again for listening to my presentation. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.